What is going on, guys? My name is Jeff Parkman HD, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys what, sorry, yes, I did already try to record a video, but I messed up, but anyways, so it's pretty cool. What it runs off of is called Twilio. What you have is you got Twilio Flex, Programmable SMS, which is text messages. You got Programmable Voice, which is like through phone calls and SendGrid and Authy, and you got tons of shit. It's pretty damn sweet, to be honest. So, yeah, all you want to do is you want to create an account. And yeah, you want to find Russian. You want to go to Russian Roulette, OTA, and then when you go to bin. When you're in Russian Roulette, you want to go here and go to bin, go to debug, and the files will be in here when it's pre-built. So if you're a developer, you can just use the source and modify it, make it whatever. But I upload it to GitHub, so it's pretty cool. But all you want to do is you want to press enter. So we're going to press enter. And it says press feed in our voice mode, which voice mode is not going to be set up because I have to host, and I don't know really. I'm new to this portion. I did learn how to make it and stuff, but I need an XML file to be hosted. I tried what is it, Google Drive, but it didn't really work out. I already put the link in, it didn't really work. So even though it displays it like it does on the website, it just didn't work. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but if I am, I'll still update this here and there, believe that, but I'll update the source and all that. I plan on that. There's going to be updates and stuff, I hope. Anyways, yeah, but I got a lot of stuff to work on, so I don't know if there's going to be updates soon or if there's going to be updates at all, but I'm going to try. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to, let's say, S. And now, keep in mind, I do not have a full account. You need a full account for this. Just like donate like $20, like, you know, yeah. Or it's not really $20. It just depends on how much you got. Yeah, you just here. Let's log into my account. I can't do that. But once you get your account stuff, all you want to do is input your account SID here, and then your auth token. Which, yeah. So you just want to enter your auth token after that. So like we'll press enter, and it will close out because it gives you an error. It's gonna say else, or it's gonna else. It'll just close out because it was coded to legit, like if you entered the wrong thing, it would just no, I do believe. Let me check the code real quick. We'll go to Visual Studio. So we're gonna go here, project. Nope, not here. Sorry, I won't exit on there. Project. And Russian Roulette OTA in here. And it is coded to, let's see, where's that? So the SID length is this. We'll map this off. I guess it doesn't see it. It will close out because there's no else. There's no other, like where it can't go anywhere else except close. So that's pretty cool. I was remembering wrong. You know how you get false memories and shit. But I uploaded it to GitHub, so you guys can check it out here. If you don't know what it is Russian Roulette OTA is just legit what it says. It's just a simple Russian Roulette game to play with Storm Overhead. It's just a joke with the Storm Overhead is what I meant. But it's just something to give you time and just something kind of fun because it's not really it is a game, but what I would consider it is like to be a modifiable game. And what I mean by that is like maybe have challenges. If you die or your friend dies, there's ways you can have your friend involved in this. I don't even have to edit the coding to do that. You can you legit just use what I got here. And yeah, so what it does is it sends you a random. So here, let's go to the code. I'll teach you guys something. I shouldn't close down anyways, but I don't want to do. So we're gonna go here, open project solution, Russian Roulette. So it is pretty cool. Let me just see something really quick. Alright. So what it does is it will. So I'm gonna read this to you guys. So it's gonna clear the console after you press enter on this portion right here. So this, if it's gonna say, so this is just reading the key and what the player presses after it. It displays this text right here. It's gonna read. I'm gonna create it to read, and if the read enter if the read and the key, like if it's gonna read and it's gonna read the key, the next key that the user presses, what it's gonna do is after it presses, it's gonna see if it's enter. If it's not, it's just probably gonna close because I don't. Yeah, there's no else to it, so it's just gonna close. But yeah, so it just reads, and if you press enter, it opens. It goes to the next section. If you don't, it's just gonna close. It is kind of cool. So then it's gonna clear again. It's gonna create a random, and we're gonna call it random. So and then we're gonna use this death eventually to get the random.next, which I have the minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 2. So what I use that is for I always forget what these symbols are. I don't forget what they are. I meant like if they're less or they're greater. I was confused. I always have one every time I went to school. So yeah. But it says if death eventually, which is this right here, which equals, so if it equals less than 2 but greater than 0, what is that? That's 1. Sorry, 1. Nope, sorry, 1. Yes, okay. This is the else. So it's just going to be 2. So if it's greater than, or if it's less than 3, but it's greater than 1, it's going to be 2. So it goes at random through this. It's going to create either 1 or 2. And if it creates 1, it does this. You'd have died. It will send you that or call you if you're in this mode, which is this. So yeah, let me show you guys something. So that mode that I just highlighted is voice mode. You activate that by pressing V. You don't activate it. You don't even initiate. You initiate it once it asks you to take out your mode. Yeah. So yeah. And now just a warning. As I said before, this part won't work unless you have a hosted XML file from what you want to gather. If you're a developer, you know what you're doing. All you have to do is legit just host. I might do it if I can find some site. I haven't found one yet, and I'm out of money, so I really want to get this released. I thought it was a pretty cool idea. Just something to do, you know, and get me started back on Twilio. So this is where the URL will go. So see, it creates the call to from, and then it's going to read off what your XML file is displaying. And what I mean by that is we're going to type in something. It's going to be called Twilmo. Yeah, Twilmo. So we are going to look for it's demo. I can't. Let me see if it's saved. It's cached. Demo.twilio. Okay, there it is. So voice. You just need to get one of these. You need to get an XML file that's hosted like this, and what it will do is it'll read off in the voice Alice, and it's gonna say thanks for trying our documentation. Enjoy. And then it will play an MU3 if you got that hosted too. You don't have to do that, but it's just optional. It's just pretty cool too. So yeah, that's where you put this link. I could put it in there, but if you guys want me to put the default one, which it wouldn't make sense because why even have that? If you know, like yeah, just why even have that if it's not even going to just say what I want it to say? You know, it's kind of just stupid. It's good to use for testing. If you guys want me to put it in there for testing, just make sure you guys got everything right. I do want to say something really quick. So when you get to one of the portions where you have to enter your phone, the format is this. You put plus, no dashes, no parentheses, no spaces. You just put plus. Now you don't do it in from the code. You can do it in from the console. So what I mean by that is like once you start it up, you'll be asked questions, you'll get your count set up, and then you press plus. And when it asks for your phone, you press plus. Let's say 1777, which will be 3 digits. So 7. Hold on. 7777777. I do believe I got that all done. I do believe I got the numbers right. I'm not sure, but that would be the format for your phone, from and for to. Well, depending on where you're at, actually, it doesn't. You know, just depends on where you're at. and where your account's hosted on Twilio. So yeah, pretty cool. So I just wanted to show you guys this. I thought it was a really neat idea. I'm going to be updating it as much as I can, but I am working on a game inside of Unity, which all I can say is hooked. Don't get hooked. Like SpongeBob off of SpongeBob. No, I'm just joking, guys. I don't know. But I am working on a game, and I was just joking about the SpongeBob portion. I don't know why I even said that, but whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm out. And if you guys can't see my camera, by the way, I try to put it on there, but sorry, I was mumbling my words. If it's something to do with my Bandicam, for some reason, it's not really showing me my camera, so I'm not sure what's going to show you guys the camera. I'll have to check it out in the MP4 when it gets, done. Whatever the term would be for that. I'm not a video guy. Like I don't mean that my videos. I just record them and go. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm out. So peace.